very proud and proud because now I like to make things and proud and I am proud for who I am. Good morning everyone, I'm Lisa de la Merced from Third Year Trustworthy and I put this piece on my shirt because I love to play musical instruments, especially piano and guitar, and music is my passion, so rock on.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I put this place because I'm always fun.
Good morning everyone, I'm Maria Jose Di Cordova from Third Year Trustworthy. These headsets represent my passion. I put this career as my meaning up because I believe that knowledge is everything in life. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm back to Abila for Third Trustworthy. I put this in my t-shirt simply because I love basketball. And I love nature because I love my life. That's right.
Oh yeah, oh God, big bad guy. Somewhere looking back. Go!
Morning everybody, I'm Danica at my son from Third Year Trustworthy. This street on my shirt, the rose one represents the part of the rose represents the trials in my life, and with God, I know that we can all surpass the trials that God is will for us. And this tree represents how much we need to be stronger in our trials.
Good morning to everybody. I'm John Jeffrey Campbell. These teachers represent some words that can hurt people, can hurt others. Thank you.
My name is Blessed Andres Flores from Third Year Trustworthy. I put this design on my t-shirt because I believe that changing own self is the best, but be yourself is truly the best. Thank you.
Hi, I'm John Dennis H. Marin from Third Year Trustworthy. I wrote this because I believe that we must live our life at its best. Hi everyone, my name is Jan Daniel J. Gapas. I do this picture because I represent my other giving because in this time of trouble and problem we encounter when we feel sad and struggle. That's why we make our cute smile and sweet smiling trees. And we achieve happier, peaceful, and harmonious life with our friends, teachers, and family. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.